Tim Cook's journey began in Robertsville, Alabama, a small town with humble roots. This quaint town, nestled in the heart of the South, provided a backdrop of simplicity and community. He was born on November 1, 1960, into a working-class family. His early years were marked by the values and traditions of a close-knit family. His father worked in a shipyard, while his mother was a homemaker. They both worked tirelessly to provide for their family, setting an example of dedication and resilience. Cook's upbringing instilled in him the values of hard work and perseverance that would later define his leadership. From a young age, he was taught the importance of diligence and responsibility. Despite the town's modest environment, Cook excelled academically. His teachers recognized his potential early on, and he consistently achieved top grades. He graduated from Robertsdale High School in 1978 as co-valedictorian. This achievement was a testament to his hard work and determination. He then enrolled at Auburn University, a prestigious institution in his home state. Auburn provided him with a broader perspective and new opportunities. Cook pursued a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering, graduating in 1982. His choice of major reflected his analytical mind and interest in systems and efficiency. Cook's time at Auburn wasn't just about academics. He immersed himself in campus life, making lifelong friends and connections. He was an active member of the Alpha Kappa Psi business fraternity, demonstrating his early interest in the world of business. This involvement helped him develop leadership skills and a network of like-minded peers. His dedication and sharp mind earned him membership in the prestigious Beta Gamma Sigma Honor Society, a testament to his academic prowess. This honor recognized his exceptional performance and commitment to excellence. After graduating from Auburn, Cook went on to Duke University's Fuqua School of Business. This next step was crucial in shaping his future career. He obtained his Master of Business Administration, or MBA, in 1988. This advanced degree further honed his business acumen and strategic thinking. This experience further honed his business acumen and prepared him for the challenges that lay ahead in his career. With a solid educational foundation, Tim Cook was ready to embark on a journey that would eventually lead him to the helm of one of the world's most influential companies. Tim Cook's career began at IBM in 1982, immediately after graduating from Auburn University. He joined the tech giant as a personal computer manufacturing planner. This role marked his entry into the world of supply chain management, a field where he would later make his mark. During his 12-year tenure at IBM, Cook steadily climbed the corporate ladder. He held various positions in manufacturing and distribution, gaining valuable experience in managing complex operations. His tenure at IBM coincided with the company's dominance in the personal computer market, providing him with invaluable insights into the tech industry. In 1994, Cook joined Intelligent Electronics, a computer reseller, as the chief operating officer of its reseller products division. This move allowed him to apply his expertise in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. He successfully streamlined the company's operations and improved its distribution network. Cook's success at Intelligent Electronics caught the attention of Compaq, a leading computer manufacturer at the time. He joined Compaq in 1997 as the vice president of corporate materials. This role gave him global responsibility for procuring and managing the company's vast inventory of computer components. In 1998, Tim Cook made a career-defining decision. He joined Apple, a company then on the verge of collapse, as the senior vice president of worldwide operations. This move was a gamble, but Cook saw potential in the struggling tech giant. Cook immediately recognized the need to overhaul Apple's inefficient and costly manufacturing processes. He took the bold step of outsourcing production to contract manufacturers in Asia, a decision that was met with skepticism at the time. This move, however, proved to be a masterstroke. By shifting manufacturing to lower-cost regions, Cook significantly reduced Apple's production costs. This freed up capital for the company to invest in research and development, a crucial factor in Apple's subsequent innovation. Cook also implemented a just-in-time inventory system, minimizing warehousing costs and ensuring that Apple's products reached consumers faster. Cook's efforts transformed Apple's supply chain into a model of efficiency and agility. His contributions were instrumental in reviving the company's fortunes and setting the stage for its extraordinary growth in the years to come. Section 4. The Helm of Innovation, Cook's Ascendancy to CEO. In 2004, Steve Jobs, Apple's co-founder and CEO, was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. This marked the beginning of a transition period for the company. Cook stepped in to manage Apple's day-to-day operations, demonstrating his leadership capabilities. Cook's ability to guide Apple through this challenging period did not go unnoticed. In 2009, he was named CEO while Jobs took a medical leave of absence. This move solidified Cook's position as Jobs' successor and put him at the helm of one of the world's most innovative companies. Following Jobs' passing in 2011, Cook officially became Apple's CEO. While some questioned whether he could fill Jobs' shoes, Cook quickly proved his mettle. He continued to release groundbreaking products including the iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Cook's leadership extended beyond product launches. He oversaw the expansion of Apple's retail presence worldwide, creating iconic stores that became destinations for tech enthusiasts. He also championed the development of new software and services, further solidifying Apple's ecosystem. Section 5. Beyond the iPhone, expanding Apple's horizons. Under Tim Cook's leadership, Apple's product line expanded significantly. While the iPhone remained its flagship product, Cook recognized the need to diversify and explore new markets. This led to the launch of several successful products that catered to a wider range of consumers. One of Cook's notable achievements was the launch of the Apple Watch in 2015. This wearable device quickly gained popularity, becoming the world's best-selling smartwatch. The Apple Watch not only expanded Apple's product portfolio, but also established the company as a leader in the wearable technology market. Another successful product launch under Cook's leadership was the AirPods in 2016. These wireless earphones quickly became a cultural phenomenon, praised for their seamless integration with Apple devices and their sleek design. The AirPods solidified Apple's presence in the rapidly growing audio market. Cook's vision extended beyond hardware. He recognized the importance of services in Apple's ecosystem. This led to the expansion of services like Apple Music, Apple Pay, and iCloud. These services not only provided convenience to Apple users, but also generated a significant revenue stream for the company. Section 6. A golden age Apple's financial success under Cook. Tim Cook's tenure as CEO has been marked by unprecedented financial success for Apple. Since taking the helm in 2011, Cook has steered the company through a period of remarkable growth and innovation. Under his leadership, the company's revenue and market capitalization have soared, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Apple's stock price has seen a significant increase, reflecting investor confidence. Cook's strategic decisions and his focus on operational efficiency played a key role in this remarkable growth. His ability to make tough decisions and pivot when necessary has been crucial. During Cook's leadership, Apple's revenue more than doubled. This was achieved through a combination of innovative product launches and strategic market expansions. This growth was driven by strong sales of iPhones, Macs, and iPads, which continued to dominate their respective markets, as well as the expansion of Apple's services business. Services like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Pay have become significant revenue streams. Cook's focus on streamlining operations and optimizing the supply chain ensured that Apple could meet the growing demand for its products while maintaining healthy profit margins. This operational excellence has been a cornerstone of Apple's success. Apple's market capitalization also reached new heights under Cook's leadership. The company's stock has consistently outperformed the market. In 2018, Apple became the first publicly traded U.S. company to reach a market capitalization of $1 trillion. This was a historic milestone in the world of finance. This milestone was a testament to investor confidence in Apple's future prospects and a reflection of the company's dominance in the tech industry. Analysts have praised Cook's leadership and vision. Cook's financial acumen and his ability to navigate the complexities of the global marketplace have been instrumental in Apple's financial success. His global strategy has opened new markets and opportunities for Apple. His leadership has created immense value for Apple's shareholders and solidified the company's position as a financial powerhouse. The future looks bright for Apple under Cook's continued guidance. Section 7. Leading with Purpose. Cook's values-driven leadership. Tim Cook's leadership style stands in contrast to the stereotypical image of a tech CEO. He is not just a figurehead but a hands-on leader who is deeply involved in the day-to-day operations of Apple. While known for his business acumen, Cook is equally recognized for his humility, integrity, and commitment to social justice. He has made it a point to ensure that Apple's success is shared with the community. His leadership style, often described as collaborative and values-driven, has fostered a positive and inclusive work environment at Apple. Employees feel valued and are encouraged to contribute their best ideas. Cook believes in leading by example. He is often the first to arrive at the office and the last to leave, setting a high standard for his team. He is known for his strong work ethic and his dedication to Apple's success. His meticulous attention to detail ensures that Apple products maintain their high quality. He is often seen interacting with employees at all levels, valuing their contributions and fostering a sense of camaraderie within the company. This approach has built a strong, loyal workforce. Unlike some tech leaders who shy away from social issues, Cook has been vocal about his stance on various matters. He believes that silence is not an option when it comes to important societal issues. He has consistently advocated for LGBTQ+ rights, environmental sustainability, and education. His advocacy has made Apple a leader in corporate social responsibility. Cook believes that businesses have a responsibility to use their platform and resources to make a positive impact on the world. He has implemented numerous initiatives to give back to the community. Cook's values-driven leadership has earned him widespread respect, both within and outside Apple. His approach has set a new standard for what it means to be a successful CEO. His approach has not only fostered a positive work environment, but also enhanced Apple's brand image, attracting customers and employees who share the company's values. This alignment of values has been a key factor in Apple's sustained success.